NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has scarcely woken up, and the universe is now more strange and more gorgeous than mankind's fantasies. All these little spots are stars, and this multitude of little dots are galaxies, some of which are greater than our own. Breaking news. We may have just discovered probable evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth. This is a gigantic disclosure, and we believe it's a tremendous revelation. That is the most exciting aspect of this telescope, this remarkable instrument we've placed in space, finding things we didn't expect or can't explain. This means we have to change how we understand the universe. Well, JWST is so sensational that, if you spend enough time, you could probably find any world that ever formed in the universe. It's that powerful. Besides, Proxima b is a planet that orbits one of the stars in a triple star system. This is a unique benefit since astronomers have stirred up excitement. This is their dream come true. Another chapter in cosmology has opened up. NASA has found a super-Earth that could have conditions to support life. The new exoplanet is 137 light-years away, or around 800 trillion miles. Astronomers say the planet is about 1.5 times the size of Earth and orbits a small, cool red star. This discovery is exciting. While we haven't found an exact twin of Earth, this planet is one of the most fascinating candidates among 500 newly identified possible planets. Of these, Proxima b is gaining significant attention. Found only 4 light-years away, it's relatively close to us. It's roughly the same size as Earth and lies at the ideal distance from its star, making it the right temperature to potentially support liquid water, and possibly even life. If we look beyond our solar system to the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, it's 24 trillion miles away. While that sounds far in space terms, it's practically next door. Proxima b, slightly larger than Earth, orbits Proxima Centauri, a star much cooler than our Sun. Yet the planet is in the habitable zone, meaning liquid water could exist on its surface. In theory, this means it could support life. Have you ever wondered, while gazing at the starry night sky, if life on another planet might be looking back? The universe seems surprisingly quiet, and we haven't detected any signs of life yet. However, the search for life beyond Earth is just beginning. Even within our solar system, it's now considered possible that life may have independently evolved in a few places, like Jupiter's icy moon Europa or Saturn's moon Titan. But could there be a planet beyond our solar system where life has flourished and where we might one day visit? It turns out such a planet could exist nearby. A world similar in size to Earth, orbiting the closest star to the Sun, Proxima Centauri. Although the planet likely faces intense radiation from its star, this neighboring planet remains a promising place to search for extraterrestrial life. Proxima Centauri is part of a triple star system alongside Alpha Centauri A and B. These two main stars are sun-sized and orbit each other closely. However, Proxima Centauri is a low-mass, cool red dwarf star, so faint it requires a powerful telescope to see. It's also the closest of the 4.2 light-years from the Sun, and has at least 3 exoplanets, 2 of which are confirmed. One of these, Proxima b, is located within the habitable zone of its star, the region where it's neither too hot nor too cold for liquid water to exist. Proxima b was first detected in 2016, creating a lot of excitement. Due to its position around its star, it is roughly the same size and mass as Earth, making it likely a rocky world. The hope at the time was that Proxima b could have an Earth-like atmosphere, similar raw materials, and, most excitingly, perhaps even life on its surface. However, further research revealed that Proxima b, while sharing some similarities to Earth, faces significant challenges that may make it less hospitable. One of the biggest concerns is the intense radiation emitted by Proxima Centauri. This red dwarf star frequently releases powerful solar flares, which could strip away any atmosphere the planet might have. Without an atmosphere, it would be difficult for Proxima b to sustain liquid water or protect life from harmful radiation. Despite these challenges, the discovery of Proxima b has energized astronomers and planetary scientists. Its proximity to Earth, just 4.2 light-years away, makes it one of the most accessible targets for future exploration. In the coming decades, new telescopes and technologies, such as next-generation space observatories and even interstellar probes, could provide more detailed information about Proxima B's composition, atmosphere, and potential habitability. Meanwhile, the search for Earth-like planets continues. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope and other cutting-edge instruments are helping us peer deeper into the cosmos, revealing new exoplanets and uncovering more about the mysterious nature of our universe. With each discovery, we come closer to answering one of humanity's greatest questions. Are we alone in the universe? The universe is vast, and Proxima b is just one of countless worlds waiting to be explored. While the challenges are immense, the possibilities are even greater. The discovery of a potentially habitable planet so close to our solar system is a reminder of how far we've come, and how much more there is to learn. The dream of finding life beyond Earth remains alive, and with each new discovery, we take one step closer to unlocking the secrets of the cosmos. Earth is on an altogether different path. Proxima Centauri is a small red star, just 14% the width of the Sun and much cooler. This implies that Proxima b, despite being in the habitable zone, orbits its star much closer than Earth does to the Sun, over 20 times closer. 1 year on Proxima b is only 11.2 Earth days. You might think a smaller star would be gentler, but that's not the case. Red dwarfs produce fierce solar flares far more frequently than the Sun. Their nuclear fusion cores are much closer to their surface, causing extreme turbulence and creating powerful magnetic fields. These fields release intense high-energy radiation into their surrounding systems, presenting significant challenges for potential life on Proxima b. Proxima b orbits so close to its star that it is reasonable to consider it being bombarded with extreme space conditions. Conditions far more severe than what we experience here on Earth. Proxima b is also tidally locked in a synchronized orbit, meaning one side constantly faces the star while the other side is in perpetual darkness, much like our moon, where one side always faces Earth. On Proxima b, this tidal locking results in one side of the planet being in constant daylight while the other half remains in eternal frozen night. The Sun-facing side would be exposed to high levels of radiation and potentially powerful solar flares. For example, in 2021, an enormous flare, more than 100 times stronger than any observed in our solar system, was recorded emanating from Proxima Centauri. Some scientists believe these intense flares would gradually erode the planet's atmosphere, if it has one, and destroy any water on its surface. Despite being in the so-called habitable zone, Proxima b's close orbit to its small star makes it potentially inhospitable for life. The planet would require a thick atmosphere and a strong magnetic field to shield it from radiation levels that could be over 100 times more harmful than those experienced on Earth. Such extreme conditions would strip away atmospheres, evaporate oceans, and damage DNA on any planet near a red dwarf star. However, Proxima b might not be a dead world after all. New climate models suggest that rocky exoplanets around red dwarfs may still be habitable. Using a supercomputer, researchers created 3D simulations to study Proxima b's potential environment. The results revealed that the exoplanet could remain habitable even with one side exposed to intense radiation. With an atmosphere like Earth's and a strong magnetic field, the planet could retain liquid oceans. If observed from space, Proxima b might even resemble a giant eyeball, with an ocean stretching to the night side. The extent of this ocean would depend on factors such as salinity, which lowers the freezing point of water, allowing it to extend into colder regions. Even with high salinity, thick clouds on the star-facing side could act as a protective shield, reflecting radiation. Furthermore, atmospheric and oceanic circulation could distribute heat across the planet, preventing the dark side from freezing entirely and creating regions with liquid water, even in perpetual darkness. While this research is promising, it does not confirm whether Proxima b has an atmosphere or water, or whether it ever could. If the planet formed with water, it might still retain some. It's also possible that Proxima b initially formed farther from its star and migrated inward over time, avoiding intense flares during its early development. Conditions on Proxima b are undoubtedly vastly different from those on Earth. If alien life exists there, it would likely thrive under exotic conditions. Such life could inhabit diverse landscapes, including frozen tundras, rocky mountains, arid deserts, or vast oceans. The nature and forms of life on Proxima b, if they exist, remain an open question. If Proxima b is suitable for life, it could suggest that the universe is teeming with similar worlds. Red dwarfs, the most common type of star in the Milky Way, make up 20 of the 30 nearest stars to Earth. Life on planets orbiting these stars might be the norm, making Earth an anomaly. At present, Proxima b has never been directly imaged, and our knowledge of it remains speculative. However, advancements in technology may soon change this. The James Webb Space Telescope could potentially detect an atmosphere, and there are plans for a powered spacecraft to reach the Proxima Centauri system by 2075, a journey that would take millennia for humans. The Giant Magellan Telescope, expected to begin operation in 2029, may provide our first direct look at Proxima b. This ground-based telescope, with a resolution 10 times greater than that of the James Webb Telescope, could capture images or even short videos of Proxima b orbiting its star. It might also analyze the planet's atmosphere for biosignatures, offering crucial insights about its habitability. In the near future, we may finally answer whether Proxima b is capable of supporting life or if it's just a barren rock. The future holds exciting possibilities for exploring our closest exoplanetary neighbor.